Hello, my name's Jeff Embry and I am a products liability attorney, and I want to speak to you today about Lasko fans. These fans are common household fans. You will see them in your local CVS or Walmart, and they have been the subject of two separate recalls in the last several years. The first in 2008, the second in 2011. Now, both recalls involved these fans causing fires. We know from witnesses who've observed these fires in their very early stages a little bit about how they're occurring. We know that most witnesses are reporting the fire centering in the motor area of the fan. We have been able to examine under a microscope using electrical engineer experts that what is happening is that the insulation on the copper windings of the motors is failing over time, and that as that happens, electrical current can cause what's called an arc, which is a very hot, quick flash inside the motor that can catch flammable material that's inside the motor on fire. Then flame spreads to this plastic grate, which then drops on the floor or whatever it might be sitting on, and fire results. Now, I've had the pleasure of representing individuals and families throughout the United States that have either lost valuable property or, in some very sad situations, lost a loved one as a result of these fires. And through my work on those cases, I have learned a great deal about the history of these fans. But the one thing that we know is that if you have experienced this type of fire, it is critically important that you preserve the evidence and the scene of the fire and allow inspectors and experts to get there as quickly as possible. So if you have had one of these fires or believe you have, please contact an attorney, contact your local insurance company so that they can get to the scene as quickly as possible and preserve the scene and potentially preserve important evidence for your claim. Now, if you have additional questions, you'll find some on this website. If your questions are not answered, or if you would like to speak to an attorney, you can call our law firm. If I can't speak to you, someone else will. We stand ready to help if you need our help, and thank you for your time.